Okay, Scipio. Now, today we're going to show people how to get you back in the cage without bribing you with some food. Okay? Of course, we got to put your stuff back in here where you won't go in at all. Okay, this is your seeds. Right? Here's your water dish. Okay, right? This is water. And here we've got some toys, right? Wells, and of course we have to clean up your cage bottom first. We'll put you back in. So I am going to make that with water. Wash it off. So it's completely
water?
Yes, water.
Piece of bread? Look. Scipio, want that? Some water. What piece of bread?
You want a piece of bread? Huh?
Piece of bread? Scipio, what carrot? What piece of
Yeah, well, I'm going to put you back today without bribing you with food. So, first we put this. You want a peanut? Well, you're not going to get a peanut today. No peanut. Eh?
water?
Well, of course you can have water. Yeah. Yeah. This is a sweater. It's a nice blue sweater. When I first got you, I asked you to go on my arm and you wouldn't do it. And I finally figured out you would not go on my arm because you were afraid of falling off my arm. So I got something you can stick your toes into. And supposedly I am going to use positive reinforcement. And after you go on my arm, I'm going to say, good bird, I'm going to give you this nice sunflower seed that's coated with yogurt, and I'm going to put you back in backwards. So let's show the camera exactly what happens. So don't get scared. I want you to go there. I'm going to move you over here. That's right. That's right. Okay, good bird. Come on, honey. Come on. No, don't. Come on. Good bird. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. That's right. Come on, you can do it, honey. I want you to do something in front of the camera. You won't do it. Now, come on. Come on. Come on, up. Up. That's it. That's it. Now say hello to the iPhone. There we go. Say hello. Okay, now we're going to put you back in. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. That's it. That's it. Very good bird. And because you cooperated with me, you get one more sunflower seed. You ready? Here we go. Good bird. Here. Here we go. That's good bird.